ayaw pag-invest sa insurance. Hi guys, this is Jesse Alcaraz. I am certified public accountant, a financial advisor, as well as a college instructor. I am also an insurance agent, aka financial advisor, and personally wala ko nagagamit og term nga investment or invest when presenting insurance products because wala man ta nagapalit o nagakuha og insurance para madato. Okay? So we don't get an insurance in order to accumulate millions, to become rich, to get a lot of money in our lifetime. We get an insurance product, an insurance policy in order to protect ourselves, in order to protect our dependents in case na ay emergency mahitabo. So unsa man yuning insurance? An insurance is a contract wherein the insured gives money to the insurance company, and the insurance company will give a huge amount of money in case mamatay, masakit, or ma-disable ang isa ka person. So, for this video, I will be discussing to you the 3 general types of insurance that are available in the market. So, let's start with term insurance. So, term insurance is the cheapest. It offers the higher coverage as compared to the other products. Kanila, timan-an na to, the term insurance, lifetime ang iyahang payment. Then, it is also important to take note nga increasing ang iyahang premiums. So, nagaedad ta, nagamahal pod ang ato ang ginabayaran. And take note ha, lifetime ang ato ang payment for term insurances. Also, wala siya'y savings. So, bisan pagdugay na kayo nagbayad og term insurance, bisag piso walay mabalik sa atua. It only covers us up to the age of 75. And in terms of health insurance that are term, limited lang ang illness nga makover niya. So, gamay lang. And of course, in terms of how much, mani siya, 1% per year. Sibot pasabot ana. Kung 1 million ang coverage sa atong term insurance, butan na to 1%. So 10,000 per year. Let's now go to the number 2, traditional whole life insurance. Muna siya ang pinakamahal. Nganong mahal siya? Because it offers guaranteed savings. So, even if dili mahitabo ang emergency, there is a guaranteed amount na pwede nato magamit. It also has dividends kung fully paid na. So, dividends are basically distribution of profits gikan sa company. Next is, ang coverage niya is up to 100 years old. And limited lang ang imimuhang kailangan ibayad for the traditional whole life. You can pay for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, depende sa plan niya imuhang ma-avail. And after fully paying your plan, wala na kay hunahon. Insured na jud ka until the age of 100. Kung magkuha po kag health insurance na traditional, it offers more illnesses coverage. So mas daghan ang illness nga makover niya. Ang problema man god, kung makuha kag health insurance niya, let's say term ang imuhang kwaon, limited lang siya. So kung masakit ka, niya dili mag-fall dito sa condition sa insurance ang imong sakit, then wala kay makuha. So more illness covered is better for health insurances. In terms of premium, 6 to 8% per year. This means nga kung 1 million ang imong coverage times 8%, you will be paying 80,000 pesos per year. Let's now go to the number 3, which is the most makaingon ko controversial and at the same time medyo confusing nga product in the market. So muna siya ginatawag nga VUL or Variable Unit Link or Variable Universal Life. So VUL is a hybrid product that combines term insurance and also investment funds. So tanan features nga di-discuss nato about term insurance naa sa VUL. So term insurance, di ba, na-discuss nato ganina, wala siya savings. Nagka-savings ang VUL because of the investment funds. Muna siya ang gina-market sa kasagaran sa mga agents. 5 to 10 years to pay, coverage up to 88 years old, and this is very important. Kung, for example, 5 years to pay or 10 years to pay, on the 6th and in the 11th year onwards, the investment funds will pay for the lifetime insurance charges. If you can recall, term insurance, lifetime ang iyahang premiums. And nagasaka as we age. Kinsay mo bayad, ana? Ang investment funds na. That is why medyo mahal-mahal ang VUL compared to the term insurance tungod kay we are expecting the investment funds to pay for the lifetime insurance charges. Next, investment funds are not guaranteed. Again, not guaranteed. This is very important. Kay daghan kaayo ang ma-disappoint, no? Ma-disappoint sa performance sa ilahang investment kuno because mas dako ang ilahang gibayad as compared sa sulod sa ilahang funds. Because again, it is not guaranteed. It is subjected to market fluctuations, especially kung gi-invest na siya sa equities. Okay. Next one, this is also very important. Investment funds have management fees. Pila ang management fee? It ranges around 2% per year. Unsay buot pasabot ana? Ang buot pasabot ana, kung naa kay 200,000 pesos in investment funds, mukuha si insurance company og 2% management fee sa imuhang funds. So, pila man na siya? 4,000. 200,000 times 2%, that's 4,000 per year. Okay? So, basically, ang imuhang funds nagababa because of the management fees. So, ang ato na lang i-look forward dira is that dapat mas dako sa management fee ang increase sa ato ang investment every year. And how much is the premium for VUL? 3 to 4% per year. Therefore, for the 1 million peso coverage times 4%, we will be paying 40,000 per year. In general, insurance products are really great. It offers a safety net sa atua by just paying a fraction of the insurance coverage. Pero kana lang, we really have to tailor fit it sa ato ang budget and sa ato ang needs. That is why it is important to have a trusted and knowledgeable insurance agent or financial advisor to discuss the available products in the market kay para dili masayang ang ato ang kwarta. Kay imagine paying for 5 years, 10 years, or even 20 years for a product nga dili day nimo mapuslan or dili day suwak sa imuhang mga pangangailangan. That is why katong na-discuss nato nga tulo ka klase ka products, consult it and discuss it with your financial advisors. And if wala pa may financial advisor, then feel free to message me directly so that makaschedule ta og presentation. That would be all. Thank you so much and paayong gabi sa tanan.